What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing another spooky thing. We are going to Horror World. So from what I hear, this is like a 20-minute walk through haunted house based off of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. So it's in this mall from what I understand, so we're gonna have to go find it, but I am very excited because they were advertising this at Midsummer Scream. If you guys remember in the last video, they had Leatherface like wheeling around Grandpa, and Grandpa was handing out ads to this, so I don't know, I'm excited. Leatherface and any Texas Chainsaw Massacre theme always freaks me out and always makes me jump at any maze, especially at Universal Studios. So high hopes that this is gonna make me jump. Let's go check it out. We found it. This is Horror World, and it's like in the middle of a food court, which is kind of bizarre, but I'm very excited. This is technically, I guess, our second walkthrough or our third walkthrough haunted house of the year. But look at this. A whole collection of faces. Clearly, Leatherface and the Sawyer family have been busy. All right, we're all wristbanded up, and they're ready to go through. We're just waiting for the next party to go in. It's happening. We're doing this. There's a lot of screaming happening. We did it, guys. We made it. Oh! One last scare. You guys, that was crazy. That was crazy. First of all, it was wonderful because there was no one ahead of me, so all the scare actors were ready. They're ready for the next person to come so they can get them. So I got every scare. They used like, I don't know if they were real chainsaws with the chain off of them, but they were loud and they made me feel like they were real. That was great. And I'm ready now to go on more mazes. Halloween Horror Nights, not Scary Farm. Let's do this because that was fantastic. So if you guys are in the Rancho Cucamonga area, go check out HorrorWorld. It's worth it. I think it's definitely a fun time. The special effects were great. The actors had a lot of energy. They were just really selling it. So yeah, definitely worth a look. So thank you guys very much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you guys haven't. I post a video every Tuesday or more, especially during Halloween time. A like is always appreciated, and I'll see you guys in the next one.